Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi SQ5 and the Porsche Macan. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which luxury compact SUV best fits your lifestyle. We'll cover everything from engine performance and handling to interior comfort and overall value. Get ready for a detailed breakdown of these two popular German vehicles, highlighting what each one truly excels at. When it comes to performance, both SUVs deliver impressive power. The Audi SQ5 provides robust acceleration and a comfortable ride, making it excellent for daily driving and longer trips. The Porsche Macan, however, is engineered for a more dynamic feel, offering sharper steering and a firmer suspension that truly shines on winding roads. If spirited driving is your priority, the Macan often takes the lead. Hey everyone, quick pause. If you're enjoying this deep dive into the SQ5 and Macan, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more car comparisons. And on another note, just like choosing the right car, making healthy choices can be easy. Make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Inside, both vehicles offer premium experiences, but with different philosophies. The Audi SQ5 provides a more spacious and technologically integrated cabin, perfect for families and daily commutes. Its infotainment system is intuitive and user-friendly. The Porsche Macan, while luxurious, has a more driver-centric layout, with controls often clustered around the driver. Both offer excellent build quality and comfortable seating for 4 adults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.